Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to know about the tags, elements, and attributes under HTML. So let's start. First one is tag. What is tag? Tags are the building blocks of the web page, or we can say that tags are the special markers which tell the web browser how to format and display the contents. It means here whatever code we are using for creating an HTML page, there we use some kinds of tags. That tags tells the browser how to arrange the text, how to present the text. So here some codes are there, like a basic code is here. HTML, under HTML head is there, title open and title close. Under the title, page title is written there, which is appear on the browser tab. Head close, then body open. Under body, h1 tag is there, and this tag is for heading, and it is written there, and after that h1 is close. Next one is HR. HR is open but not closed because it is an empty tag. We describe it in the next slide. Okay. Next one is P tag. This is for paragraph tag, and after that P tag closing, and after body tag, which is close, and last one HTML is close. Here this one is known as on tag, means where slash is not there, it is known as on tag, and where slash is there, it is known as off tag. Next, elements. Now, an element represent one complete individual component. It consists of an on tag, the content, and an off tag. The HTML elements can be categorized as container tag and empty tag. Here same HTML code is here, where some container tags are there and some empty tags. So let us find out how we clear that which one is container tag and which one is empty tag. Here which tag which have open on tag and off tag, it is known as container tag, because in between on and off tag there is something, like here this is a heading, text is there between h1 tag, h1 on tag and h1 off tag. That's why it is known as container tag, means it contains something where it apply that formatting or whatever that tag represent for. Next one, HR. HR stand for horizontal row. It means with the help of this tag we can create a horizontal line, and it is an empty tag because it doesn't have any closing tag. Okay, let us clear again. Container tag which have on and off tag, both tag is there, and empty tag have only on tag, no off tag is there. Now attribute, it is the most important part of HTML. An Attribute is a property that provides additional information about an HTML element. It enhances the functionality of a tag and is always specified inside the opening tag. All attributes consist of two parts, a name and a value. Means there are many tags are there which have some attributes. Okay, we can change the property by using these attributes. It means if we are using any tag where a basic formatting is there, but we want to change that formatting, then what we have to do? We have to use attribute. Okay, like here an example is there where a body tag have bg color equal to yellow, text equal to red. Means a body tag in previous example you have seen that body tag haven't any text under the angular bracket. This one is known angular bracket. Okay, here bg color equal to yellow. Bg color is the name and yellow is the value. Another is here text is the name and red is the value. Remember, always use inverted commas when you are giving any text as a value. Okay, if you are giving number, then it is not necessary to use double inverted comma, but if you are using text, then you have to use double inverted comma opening and closing one. It means here body tag have two attributes, bg color and text. Again we have another example here, HR tag. I have told you that HR represent horizontal row. A line will be there for use by using the HR tag. Here HR tag have only one attribute, that is width. Width equal to 50%. So again it is in double inverted comma. Here width equal to 50 means whatever the width of the screen is there, then it is using 50% of that screen while creating a horizontal line. If you see, these are the attributes. So when we are in detail, when we are going to read about the tags, then we at that time we can tell various types of attribute which we can use in that tags. Thank you.